Alright, you guys, so welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to share with you guys my bathroom that I'm living in right now. I am currently, you guys probably don't know, but I'm currently renting this house, and here I am waving at you guys. I am showing you guys around that I need to clean all of the bathroom, the mirrors. They're so gross. And I have a double sink, as you guys can see, and my towel, and a walk-in bathroom that to this day I honestly just still kind of hassle to clean it up, I guess, because I haven't found the right form for myself. But yeah, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I am so happy you guys are so back, and I'm excited to continue to do these videos with you guys. So let's begin. Alright, you guys, so right here I am using a new product that I've never even used in my life. Apparently in my grocery store they were out of Windex or whatever, so I am using this spray. It is made out of vinegar, and I hate the smell of vinegar, but you know what? It was cleaning super well. I was just doing a quick little easy cleanup, and my mirrors were so darn clean. As you guys can see, I'm just using a paper towel and just wiping away. I have the most ginormous mirror ever. I can't even reach. But yeah, you guys, here I am cleaning. Alright, you guys, so right now I am just putting all of my stuff away. I don't have a lot of things in my bathroom just because I don't want to overwhelm myself too much. But yeah, you guys can see I've already put my basket on, and I'm putting all of my toothbrushes and my cute little plant, my fake plant. And yeah, you guys, it was super easy to clean my bathroom. But yeah, I like it, and yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys the rest.